Ladies and gentlemen, thanks for being here. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. We are back again with another amazing video. Our today's video is about some benefits of the wooden wall shelf design ideas, and we'll present some wooden wall shelf design ideas that will inspire you and give you an idea how to increase your rustic appeal in your home decor. Wooden wall shelves are timeless and the versatile addition to any home decor. They did not only serve a functional storage solution but also add warmth, character, and style to your living space. If you are considering incorporating wooden wall shelf into your interior design, here are some benefits and design ideas that will inspire you. One of the main advantage of wooden wall shelf is their natural beauty. Wood has a warm, living and rustic appeal that can instantly elevate the aesthetic of any room. Whether you prefer the rich tone of mahogany and the earthy hues for the oak, and the height and the airy look for wooden wall shelf can enhance the natural beauty of your home. Use reclaimed wood for a unique and eco-friendly wall shelf design. Salvaged one from old barn pallet and the other source can add a character and history to your space. Wooden wall shelves are known for their durability and longevity. They are sturdy, often hold a magnificent and significant amount of weight, making them perfect for displaying your favorite book, decor items, and even heavy kitchenwares. Unlike other materials that may wear out or break over time, wooden wall shelf can withstand the test of time with a proper care. Optional for thick and solid wood shelf with reinforced bracket and support for add strength and the durability. Consider using hardware like oak, maple, and walnut for their durability and the resistance of damage. The wooden wall shelf offers endless customization options for suit your style and the need. You can choose from various shapes, sizes, finishes, and the style to match your interior design theme. Wooden wall shelf can be a stained, painted, or left their natural state, allowing you to customize their appearance to match your unique aesthetic. Create a gallery with a mix of different sized wooden wall shelf in various finishes, arranged in a asymmetrical and the geometrical pattern for a wooden and the rustic look. If you are looking to optimize your space, wooden wall shelves can be a practical solution. They can be installed on empty walls, corner, and even a future, providing additional storage with taking up precious floor spaces. Wooden wall shelf can also be used in a small room apartment and add a vertical storage and make the most of limited square foot. Install a set of floating wall shelf in a narrow hallway to display the artwork, paints, and the decorative enchant, creating a functional and visually appealing focal point. Wooden wall shelves are great, easy to maintain. Regular dusting and the polishing on keep them looking fresh and clean. Unlike other materials that may be specialized cleaning product and the treatment, wooden wall shelf can easily be maintained with the basic household cleaning supplies. Open back wooden wall shelf for even cleaning and the accessibilities to item or choose share with removable bracket and the hassle-free maintenance. Wooden wall shelf and add a warmth and the character to any room. The natural texture, grain, and color or a wood can create a cozy and the inviting atmosphere to your room. Wooden wall shelf can also be used to display personal collection, family heirloom, and the crusted items, adding a sense of history and the personality to your space. Mix and match different type of wood such as cherry, cedar, and the birch for a visually interesting and beautiful look. Add a decorative bracket on trim or to future enhance the character and charm to your wooden wall shelf. Wooden wall shelf offer numerous benefits and design ideas for your home decor, from their natural beauty and the durability of their customization option and the space-saving solution. Wall shelves are versatile and timeless addition to any interior design with their